Do you want to know how to greet someone in Kirundi? Welcome to this channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you how to greet someone in Kirundi. For formal way, as I shared in the previous video, in the morning you just say good morning. For Kirundi you say bwakeye, bwakeye. Or you can say mwaramutse, mwaramutse, to mean good morning. For good afternoon and good evening, it's the same. It doesn't change in Kirundi. You say mwiriwe, mwiriwe, mwiriwe. That's formal way. For informal, like when you want to say hello, what's up, or how is it, in Kirundi you say yambu, yambu, bite, gute, gute none. Or when you want to say like how are you, how are you, in Kirundi you say urakomeye, urakomeye. Or you can say namaki, namaki. Or you can say vyifashe gute, vyifashe gute. In that case, you can reply saying I'm fine in Kirundi, which means ndakomeye, ndakomeye. Or meze neza, meze neza. Or you can reply saying it's fine or it's good, to mean nineza, nineza, nineza. It's fine or it's good, to mean nineza. So guys, that's how you can greet someone, in informal way. In informal way. Let's repeat once again. For formal way, where for good morning you just say bwakeye, bwakeye. Or mwaramutse, mwaramutse. For good afternoon and good evening, it doesn't change in Kirundi, it's the same. You say mwiriwe, mwiriwe. That's for formal way. For informal way, you just say like hello, what's up, how is it. In Kirundi you can say yambu, yambu, bite, bite, gute, gute, gute none, gute none. Vyifashe gute, vyifashe gute. Or you can say how are you. In Kirundi you say urakomeye, urakomeye. Or namaki, namaki. In that case you can reply saying I'm fine, to mean in Kirundi ndakomeye, ndakomeye. Or meze neza, meze neza. Or you can just say it's fine or it's good. In Kirundi you say nineza, nineza. So I hope you guys this video helped you so much. So this is the way you can greet someone in Kirundi, formal and informal way. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and suggest next video. So see you in the next video. Murakoze cyane. Thank you very much.